What is Twitter? Twitter is a social media site that connects a wide range of audiences with tweets. We can do messaging, blogging, and also marketing through it. People can follow you and get information and facts about you through your tweets. Twitter is easy to use, as you can be a broadcaster means you can tweet anything. Twitter is a social network. It allows you to be aware of everything that interests you, such as communities, celebrities or just people who are not famous but who you know. When everything is written in 280 characters, it makes the social network simple and practical for human thinking. When you write a tweet and one of your followers like what they see, this can be retweeted so this tweet is seen by all the followers of your follower. Advantages of Twitter. Twitter is a marketing tool due to its wide audience. It is easy to endorse any product to targeted customers. Recruiting services, business consultancy, and retail stores are all sorts of advertisements that are possible on this platform. It becomes easy to interact with their fans and helps to endorse various products directly to them. Twitter can be used by millions of users, which can be the best stage to reach customers. The interested audience for a particular topic can be reached quickly. Direct interaction with others is easier on this platform through hashtags, and we can directly approach the targeted audience. Twitter can make a person become a self-journalist or can give feedback and help others to improve. When you are a future planner, you can try scheduling tweets to post the content in the future. You can schedule both organic and promoted-only tweets for future delivery and as needed. Twitter is free. No other fees or charges are included to stay on the site, but if they want they can earn by using this media. Twitter is important for everyone, from business owners to learners. This social media platform lets a business promote its brand in different forms, and promoted tweets. You can use promoted tweets to push onto the timelines of the target audience instantly. It's an easy way to introduce them to your brand. Twitter disadvantages. It is the best place for blogging, texting, and put own opinions, but it can be a place for some people who won't just give negative comments or troll people and put them down intentionally without reason. We should be aware of some spam accounts because this can cause harm to your Twitter account or maybe can hack it and misuse it. Twitter becomes a necessity to maintain a presence on Twitter so that one can continue the connection with the audience. It requires skills and training to maintain an account on Twitter, and most important is the time commitment, which is important to stay connected with the targeted customers. Tweets should be done at the right time when the maximum audience is online can help to reach more on the site. Twitter allows only 280 characters per tweet, so it becomes difficult for the user to tweet in limited characters. Users should know how to tweet in a better and more effective way. It is difficult to avoid trolls or negative comments, as it is an open stage for comments and feedback. On business services, customers can directly complain, which can affect the product branding or services, and negative comments can reflect badly on your business. Unless you tweet at the right time when your followers are online, your tweets could easily be missed. You should be wary of spam accounts on Twitter, and do not click on suspicious links from users you don't know. It can take time to learn how to communicate effectively with brevity. You can summarize everything that is happening to you in 280 characters. This can generate problems by having to abbreviate everything that happens. There is a lot of spam on the network and this is not so controlled. This makes the network too fast in terms of the number of tweets, and sometimes the trust of the network is lost. There are false profiles on Twitter that can generate distrust in the network. Any person can create a famous account and many people begin to follow, and you can see insults from people towards companies.